Wait. Okay. All right, I'm done playing around. Let's unbox some balloons. All right, you guys, so you see the thumbnail and the title. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing those trendy Miro jumbo ball that looks like balloons, and I'm super excited. So I received this package from UBACKDRop. I was able to choose the color that I wanted to review, so I decided to go with the iridescent shade. Super cute. And according to these little baggies, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls, and they're all like different sizes. So I'm going to be inflating all of these and see if it match well with my iridescent shimmer wall. So before we get into today's video, I want to give a big shout out to UBACKDRop for sponsoring our video today. If you guys would like to check out UBACKDRop, the direct link to their website will be in my description box below, as well as a code that you can use on their website to receive some money off of your purchases. All of these will be available on their website, so go ahead and check out their website. They have plenty colors for you to choose from. I'm super excited to see how these turn out because I think I'm definitely going to go back on their website and order me some more colors for my events. And be sure to leave me your feedback down in the comment section below. Let me know if you've already tried these Miro balls or if you're planning to try some. I would like to know your feedback on everything. Also, let me know how you feel about the results at the end of this video. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this review. So here's the pump out of the box, and here is the hose that I'm supposed to attach to it. So this part you insert inside of the pump, twist it to lock in place, and now I'm left with the hose. This part of the hose is what you insert inside of the ball to inflate it. So I'm going to show you guys step by step. Alright, just inflated the first one. And it comes with a lot of hooks. I guess you can hang it from the ceiling if you want to, but this is cute. And this is just one of the small sizes. I'm going to do the largest size right now. It's about to be so big. You guys, I want to roll on this ball right now. All right guys, so I think this one is the largest size. It's super big. This can't even fit through my door. Like, I'm so tempted to like lay on it and roll over it, but I don't want to pop it. It does feel really sturdy though, but I'm scared to fall. No, I don't think this one is as big, but I'm going to go ahead and inflate them. So I received the kit with 5 pieces, and they're 5 different sizes, and it also came with the air pump that you guys saw me inflate them with. So the sizes are, and this is from smallest to the largest, they're 15-inch, 23-inch, 31-inch, 40-inch, and 47-inch. So those are the sizes that I'm working with right now. The one that I'm laying on, this is the 47-inch for reference. So this is the largest one. Like, look how big it is. And I think this is the largest one that they carry. Oh my God, like they're so freaking big. I don't even know how I would use this large one on a backdrop, but I can think of so many other ideas that I can use it for. So all of the balls comes with these little hooks, and they go all the way around the ball. And you can use this for hanging purposes. Like if you want to hang it from the ceiling or anything like that, you can literally use these hooks. Like, I really love that about it. You don't have to worry about like sticky dots or stuff like that. These are very, very, very convenient. Alright guys, so that is all for today's unboxing and review. Please let me know how you feel about it down in the comment section below. Let me know if you will be purchasing these mirror balls, or if you already have some, please let me know how you like to incorporate it in your decor. I don't have a wide enough space to do like a full backdrop, but these have so much potential. I will be using like the smaller sizes in a backdrop, and then I'll upload the video later on, but these bigger balls will have to be used in like outdoor events. I do have an event coming up where I have to use a backdrop like this. So I'll definitely try or figure out a way how to incorporate these larger sizes within my decor. It was super easy to put together, super easy to inflate. If you guys would like to purchase some off of UBACKDROP website, go ahead and use my code on the screen or down in the description box below to save some money on your purchase. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Before I go, I want to see how easy it is to deflate, just so I can fold it and put it back in those baggies. That way I could easily store them. So I'm just going to twist this open. And I guess you push down on that thing. Oh. You only have to push down on it once and then it'll start. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. I like that. Okay, you guys. So that is, I like that. Super easy to deflate, and I could just fold it back and put it in the baggie. You guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and as I said, leave me your feedback down in the comment section below. But that is all for today's video, and I'll definitely catch you guys in my next one. Bye!